If you talk about my hair and my appearance right now, you're anti-black. Hey y'all, it is your girl Lala's World, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna go get my hair done by my hairstylist, aka my little sister. I'm not gonna tell you just yet. Well, you'll see what it is by the title, but just come along with me, okay? Just come on. Alrighty, y'all. So this is gonna be a voiceover because my other little sister was doing hair as well. So right now you see my sister doing a beehive for the clip-ins. That's what I feel like makes sense when it comes to installing clip-ins. I've seen a lot of people just do cornrows to the back. I don't know. I just feel like a beehive makes sense. I don't know. So that's what you see her doing right now. As y'all can see by my facial expressions, this girl is hurting me. Nah, I'm just playing. She not hurting me. But they was chatting shit in this video. So I'm so glad this is a voiceover because these little girls get on my nerves. Literally. But we move. And yeah. All right, so now I'm just showing y'all my braids and letting y'all know that they are finished. And then my little sister is oiling my scalp because oil your scalp whenever you do any type of braids, sew-ins, wigs, all of that. Be sure to do that. I had to speed it up because it was a lot going on. So, yeah. All right, so now she's starting off doing, like, putting on the clip-ins. I'm gonna be real, I really don't know how she even put these clip-ins in. I don't know what rhyme or fashion. That was so African. Rhyme or fashion? That's crazy. But I don't know how she put them in. You see in a couple of seconds. I had to assist her because she didn't know what she was doing. Clearly. I'm just playing, y'all. You know, you always have to help your siblings out. But yeah, so I don't really know how she put them in. She just put them clip-ins in. Literally. That's it. That's all. All right, so as y'all can see, she's at the top of my head. So now I can talk about these clip-ins. These clip-ins are from Luvme Hair. I will link them in the description bar down below. They are, I bought the two, I bought a 2-pack of 18 inches. I wanted my clip-ins to be full. That was the look that I was going for. I would suggest getting the 2-pack instead of the 1. Don't say I never helped y'all out. I'm just saying. As y'all can see, my little sister is defining the curls. One thing I would suggest is this. When you get the clip-ins, I would say wash them and let them air dry completely. Don't put no product in it or nothing. When it comes to defining the hair, what I would suggest is only defining the ends of the hair rather than the whole thing, and leave the roots dry. Because if you want like a bigger curly hair look, the roots have to be dry and the ends of your hair have to be more defined to get the kind of look that I was going for. Because if you don't, what ends up happening is the hair ends up looking way down and too wet for too long, and then it kind of defeats the purpose of getting 2 packs of hair, because it looks like you don't got enough hair when in reality you do. It's just that the hair is super duper wet. So now, as y'all can see, my sister is defining my leave out and trying to get it to basically match up with the curls. That's one thing I would say about these clip-ins. My hair definitely blends in with this hair. You kind of just have to know how to maneuver it and, you know, do your thing. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so she's kind of almost done like defining my stuff, but I just felt like something was wrong. And I feel like y'all can tell on my face, like I wasn't really fucking with what was going on, and it wasn't her fault. We just end up realizing that my flip over was on the wrong side. And not to mention, because the hair was so weighed down, I really wasn't fucking with the hair. So y'all did not see it. Y'all are not gonna see the clips, but we definitely went in with a blow dry to basically blow dry the roots. And honestly see what it should really look like. Y'all are not gonna see it in this video, but definitely in another video that I post with me getting ready to go to a pool party, y'all will definitely see how I wanted my hair to look. So yeah, please excuse my face. My little sister did a great job. We just fucked up a little bit. So that's why I'm telling y'all, like, these are things that you kind of want to consider when getting these clip-ins, and you might want to just, you know, just take heed. That's all. That's it. That's all. Okay, y'all, I am back home. I'm finna go out, but I wanted to show y'all how the hair kind of like, you know, did, or how we had to do a lot of stuff. She shaped it and stuff. I just didn't show that part, but yeah, this is how I'm looking. I really like the hair. It's really nice. We just have to do a little bit of stuff because, you know, you gotta play with your hair sometimes. But I really like it. But I just wanted to do the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all of my social medias. They will be in the description bar down below. And yeah, I love you guys.